This video provides a detailed overview of Pluto, a complex and enigmatic world within our solar system. Initially discovered in 1930, Pluto was considered the ninth planet until its reclassification as a dwarf planet. With its unique characteristics and intriguing features, Pluto continues to captivate scientists and space enthusiasts alike. Pluto measures approximately 1400 miles in width, making it about half the size of the United States. Situated at a distance of 3.6 billion miles from the Sun, Pluto possesses a thin atmosphere primarily composed of nitrogen, methane, and carbon monoxide. Its average temperature of -387 degrees Fahrenheit or -232 degrees Celsius renders it inhospitable for life as we know it. Pluto is orbited by 5 known moons, with Charon being the largest among them. Charon's size is roughly half that of Pluto, making it the most significant satellite relative to its planet in our solar system. Together, Pluto and Charon are often referred to as a double planet. The other moons, namely Nix, Hydra, Kerberos, and Styx, bear mythological names associated with the underworld. Pluto owes its name to Venetia Burney, an 11-year-old girl from Oxford, England. In 1930, she suggested the name Pluto, inspired by the Roman god of the underworld. The Lowell Observatory selected the name, and it remains the only celestial body so far named by a child. Given Pluto's frigid surface temperatures, the existence of life seems highly unlikely. The extreme cold causes water to be rock-like, hindering the conditions necessary for life as we understand it. However, some speculate that Pluto's interior might harbor an ocean deep within, providing a potential avenue for further exploration. Pluto has a radius of 715 miles, that is about 1151 kilometers, making it approximately 1/6 the width of Earth. Its average distance from the Sun is 3.7 billion miles, that is about 5.9 billion kilometers, equivalent to 39 astronomical units. Pluto's elliptical and tilted orbit takes it as far as 49.3 astronomical units from the Sun and as close as 30 astronomical units. Its rotation period lasts about 153 hours, and it exhibits retrograde rotation and a tilted axis similar to Venus and Uranus. Pluto's moon system consists of Charon, Nix, Hydra, Kerberos, and Styx. The moons, except for Charon, are irregularly shaped and smaller than 100 miles, that is about 160 kilometers in width. Charon, in particular, is noteworthy for its tidal locking, always facing the same side of Pluto due to their gravitational interaction. Unlike some other planets in our solar system, there are no known rings around Pluto. Pluto belongs to the Kuiper Belt, a region beyond Neptune inhabited by thousands of icy worlds. It likely formed through the collision of similar-sized bodies early in the solar system's history. Pluto is believed to have a rocky core surrounded by a mantle of water ice, with interesting ices like methane and nitrogen frost coating its surface. Pluto's surface showcases diverse features, including mountains, valleys, plains, and craters. The tallest mountains reach heights of 6,500 to 9,800 feet, that is about 2 to 3 kilometers, and consist of water ice, sometimes covered by frozen gases. The presence of troughs, valleys, and eroded craters indicates ongoing tectonic activity. Pluto possesses a thin and dynamic atmosphere that expands and collapses as it approaches and moves away from the Sun, reminiscent of comets. Molecular nitrogen is the primary constituent, with traces of methane and carbon monoxide. Sublimation of surface ices during proximity to the Sun leads to temporary atmospheric formation, while the low gravity causes the atmosphere to extend to greater altitudes. Although the existence of a magnetic field on Pluto remains uncertain, its small size and slow rotation suggests a limited or absent magnetosphere. In conclusion, Pluto remains a fascinating and complex world within our solar system. With its unique characteristics, intriguing moon system, and enigmatic surface features, studying Pluto continues to provide valuable insights into the formation and dynamics of our celestial neighborhood. As exploration and research continues, scientists hope to unravel more of the mysteries surrounding this distant dwarf planet. So what was the best part that you liked about Pluto in this video? Please comment. Thanks for watching and do subscribe to our channel for more such videos.